Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to tell you all about the new ANYCUBIC Kobra 3 Combo 3D printer. The ANYCUBIC Kobra 3 Combo AE version is a multicolor FDM 3D printer designed for both hobbyists and professionals. It offers fast printing speeds, operating at a standard speed of 300 mm per second and a maximum of 600 mm per second, making it suitable for time-sensitive projects. A key feature is its ability to print in multiple colors without manual filament changes, enhancing creativity for complex designs. The printer has Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing for easy file transfers and remote monitoring, thus streamlining the printing process. It has a generous build volume of 250 mm x 250 mm x 260 mm, accommodating medium to large projects. The auto-leveling system aids beginners by ensuring the first layer adheres correctly, saving time for experienced users. It includes a heated bed with a temperature limit of 110 degrees Celsius, improving adhesion and reducing warping with materials like PTG and TPU. The printer supports various filament types, including PLA, PTG, and TPU, enhancing its versatility. It is CE certified for safety, making it a reliable option for users. Pros include fast speeds, multicolor capabilities, built-in Wi-Fi, and a large build space. However, it may have a learning curve for beginners and has a larger footprint due to its features. Thanks for watching. Check out the video description for updated price. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to tell you all about the new ANYCUBIC Kobra 3 Combo 3D printer. The ANYCUBIC